All right. I just want to say I'm very excited that you chose this. And if nobody watches this video, which means nobody chose this option, I'm very disappointed, but I understand because I would not be choosing this option either. Here's the deal. Same 3 questions as you saw on that previous slide, but your job is to write a poem or poems or jingle or song or whatever, right? You kind of get the idea here, the theme of that kind of creative expression, responding to these questions. So have fun with it. What's something you'll no longer do in your classroom setting? What's something you've been doing that will that you're going to keep? And then what's something new that you learn that you take away? All through the lens of universal design for learning. So just take everything that we've talked about in this PD and apply that to your classroom, but do that in song or poem form. And that is it. You're going to put that on the collaborative slideshow for your specific cohort group content area. I'll show you how to get there real quick. Notice also over here on the left-hand side, there are some optional resources. How you display your poem or your jingle is totally up to you. You're welcome to write a jingle, to write a poem, and then to put that on the slideshow. Absolutely, positively go for it. But if you notice down here, the bonuses, if you would like to perform your song, perform your jingle, perform your poem, then you can do that using some kind of audio or video. So over here is how to record only audio using Screencastify, a tool we all have. Here are some additional extensions if you're looking for something like that. These are also things that hopefully you could bring back into your classroom. And then if you want to insert that video or that audio into Google Slides, there is how to do that. But again, you are more than welcome just to write out the poem or the jingle and put that on your slide. So when you are done creating this in response to these 3 questions, you're going to go up here and click on this link to the website, which will take you here. This will look familiar. We did this in December as well. And you will find your cohorts button. So let's say your K5 music or elementary, K5 music for elementary. And I picked that on purpose because my guess is that's the most likely group to write it and perform a song. I mean, come on, my fingers are crossed here. All right, so we're going to click on this. This will be a little bit different for now. I just put the blank slideshow in here. You will create a new slide in here. So you will add in a slide. I just put in a blank one, but you could put in whatever you want. And you will put, if you performed it, you'll put the audio file in here or a link to it. Make sure those sharing permissions are set. If you are writing your poem or jingle, you could put in a text box. And you could put in your poem or jingle here. Make sure, first and foremost, that your name is on this slide, preferably in the top somewhere so that it is easy for us to find. So I might put Stephen Troutman, and then I would put my song jingle here. Get as creative as you want with the images, with the decoration, with the format. If you're writing a series of haiku, then you could put 3 different text boxes, right? Go nuts, have fun. That's the idea. I'm hoping that if you pick this, you're willing to take a little bit of a risk and dig into that. All right, I'm excited to see what you come up with. Oh yeah, finally, the bonus. Please let us know if we can share it. I would love to be able to show people your products in this one. That would be super cool. All right, have fun.